Good morning to everyone. There are only 50 member students today. The KVSS. What is the observation school name? Please write. DRSRVN. Please write. Only 2 schools here. Any other? Please check it. Next one more. KVSS over PSCN. Please send your school observation. Yes, fine. Good morning to everyone. Okay, VRMS also is there. Kshatriya Vidyashala, KVS. Okay, fine. Just send your school name, full observation. I should be known at least. Shortcuts we know that one everyone. Ramco Vidyalayam. Ramco Vidyalayam, what the shortcut they given? VRMS. Okay, Ramco Vidyalayam. Okay, fine. Next other school. KVS, VRMS. Next. Only 2 schools. There's something PSN, something school also is there. Please write name only, na? Please write your name. अरे मधु तनु ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಐಕನದು only 2 school students is there. Is correct? Is it visible my voice or not? Please check it. Now is it clear? Okay. Array first write all formulas on one paper, sir. One paper side by side. Colligative properties, all formulas write. By referring your class notes, you need to write, sir. Refer and learn and write. Exactly 10 minutes time. After that, I will make you unmute. Then you have to give answers. Please write all formulas, sir. Learn and write fast. Suppose you should be learn previous only. Just write on paper. Only 5 minutes time. Write all formulas. First write colligative properties, one-top factor, then followed by molality, mole fraction. These are the formulas I required. Write little bit fast. Without saying you should be right. Then you have to send that your image, sir. Please write fast. I'm going to be asking you how to show by on your video. Then you need to show that one. Completed, let me know that one through chat box if you write all formulas. So check it, all formulas, these are noted down or not. Learn all formulas, you should be learn. Whatever you are asking, you should be give that formulas also. RLVP, delta P by P naught, first colligative property, I into XB, XB equal to I into NB by NA plus I into NB. I can neglect NB value compared to NA, that's very less, that is dilute solutions. So that's why I'm writing NB by NA, NBV means WB by MB into MA by WA. Next, delta TB equal to I into KB into M, delta TF equal to I into KF into M is a molality, then pi equal to ICRT. And this is molality formula and mole fraction formula and relation between molality and mole fraction. This is relation between molality and mole fraction. You may can cross check it by using this is you wrote correct or not, which is you done. Then this Raoult's law, both are volatile solutes. You can write this is the formula P solution. Clear? So So please check it, everyone. You remembered or not these formulas? Then want of factor formulas are for dissociation, association, both you can write. For dissociation, for association, both. I equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. This is for dissociation. What is the for association, sir? 1 minus 1 by n into alpha. Is it correct? This is for dissociation. This is for association. For dissociation, I value is greater than 1. For association, I value is less than 1. So when you are solving answer, for association they are asking, answer should be less than 1. You should not get more than 1. You have to apply sometimes common sense also. If any option they are given like that, you can eliminate without solving also. Try to share your problems. Maybe you are not understanding, okay, or we are teaching little bit fast. But even from your side also, you should not neglect. I know that when you have school homework and everything, I can understand your problem. But try to practice. Huh? So when we are discussing, you make understand 70% only, sir. Even some people that understand only 30%, maybe less than also. I can't give assurance because of my teaching only we are getting any rank. No, that's your work. 100% you are the responsible for your rank. If you got any NEET or JEE rank, that credits goes to you. 99% you only, sir. Remaining 1% maybe teachers plus your parents. But everything going to be you only credit. You won't take, that you don't want also, because that's your work. Clear? Suppose you understood 70%, by practice you may can get remaining 30%, sir. At least 20% you can get, then still you practice, remaining 10% also you may can get. But who are understanding less than 30% or less than 50%, please check those people. Please check into those people, they are in right track or not. Even you can share any problem, sir. Even not only generally chemistry. Suppose you are not understanding what is the way of studying, okay, how to prepare. You may can share it through chat box. I may not only chat box. I think so you have my number. You may can send that one. I may not be replying, but I can identify problem of the student. The next time when you are teaching in class, I may not be again. I am going to be stress that point. Okay, in that particular way, you understood or not? I'm going to be asked you. You may can get alert that one automatically. We can get benefit both. Clear? But I'm expecting from little bit things, not too much, but you can share it. That's why Nagarjuna, that's why I'm asking. You can express your problem. That is, if you are not sharing your problem, means I won't get any dream. Na? Some X person have problem. This is to attempt that problem, so I can't get any dream that one. You should be asked, then only you can say. Some people maybe they are preparing, good students also is there, but they are attempting problem solving. They are not getting that problem. They may can get frustrated. Then they are going to be show that frustration in front of parents or maybe your brother, sister, like that. First share your problem with me. Are you getting my problem? So what's your problem? Check and tell with me through SMS or whatever. I can understand that is okay. Then we'll resolve that one. With respect to your education, your understanding, which is whatever related to these things, you have to share your problem with your teacher only, not your parents. Parents, they have their headaches, too many things. Why your headache also? This is your job. You have to rectify. You should be become very strong in your field. So that is the way you have to approach your teachers. You can ask whatever, sir, how to prepare, how to do the things. Okay, how can I improve my score? So I am preparing, this is the method, some X method I am following regularly. I am doing this is morning to ending evening, I'm studying this much way, this way. When I'm studying, maybe I'm getting distracted or something extra work is there. So all these things is there, sir. Like that, anything you can share with me, I can give at least as possible as good solution. But still now I face so many students, they approach me. Okay, still now they approach me too many people. They got happy only, sir. They're happy only. At least they're getting something relief. I can't say 100% you will get permanent solution, but at least you can get alternate method, somewhat better. At least in some little bit improvement is there. Next time you can go another method also. No? First, share your problem. You are understanding or not, hmm? Whatever sir that is. Or maybe boys, you may can share your girlfriend problem also. Doesn't matter. Huh? We can resolve that one. Means we can see alternate whatever. But you can get solutions, sir. Be friendly. You can ask. You can express whatever your doubts. Ultimate target end of the day, you should be happy. Even if you are happy, means your future also going to be happy. On. See, every parents they have their own headaches. Again, they can't take our headache also. Keep in mind that is should not be headache of for your parents. Okay, you can try your best. Result is secondary. We are not talking about only result. Result. I leave that one. Result will come automatically. First, do your work happily. Then, how to improve? You can see that is. Okay. Be friendly first. We can share your problems. We can try. I will try my best. At least you can send SMS. I am giving reply or not doesn't matter. But I will see that everyone. Okay. You can send your problem. Maybe your problem is same thing other students also they are facing. So I'm going to give solution. Your problem means you may other people also they can get benefit. No? We are helping others also. By sending your problem, I won't make you call. I won't inform anything your friends. Anything, sir. I will try to rectify. I will do that one.
My class happened.
Clear? Fine. Shall we do? Continue. Now most of your problem is theory. Some people they are good, but they are not able to solving problems. I'm expecting this is a common problem most of the people. Is it correct? Or at least you can say yes or no. You can send who are facing this type of problem. Because if you are not expressing means I don't know your problem. No? Maybe some people some people formulas very well, but difficult problems we are not able to do. Even some people basic formula also they are not able to apply. I think so. This is common for mostly. We'll try to resolve today. But be patient. See, don't hurry up that one. I have to do answer fast, like that also. But try to follow that one. If you are not trying along with me, means I can't help you. Okay. First formulas, everyone. You wrote it or not? First check that it's a first task on paper. You wrote or not all formulas. First task that is. Even that is also by using your class notes, and I'm asking. Please try to write all formulas completely. Then you can do some problems slowly, one by one. So today homework you are going to get NCERT book only. Even they can upload. You can try maximum number of questions NCERT. That's your homework, sir. All questions by using NCERT, prepare that all the question solutions. When they are giving homework, you can upload that one corresponding questions. First, you can do all questions, which is backside. Even 33 or something questions is there. You can try it. Even you can ask NCERT problems, sir, which you are not getting. Your NCERT problems, you can ask. You can share that one, sir. This question I didn't get. How to apply our concept. Neat questions are very easy than book bag questions. That's the reason I told you starting onwards. We can try NCERT perfectly means you are going to be covered up to above average. Above average advanced problem you are doing, sir. Then very easy NEET exam. Then by understanding, we need to complete everything. See, now we can do some student, they completed problem formulas also wrote everything. Very good, that is. Now I'm going to write some problem on screen. You can apply that one, sir, step by step. First, you can do theoretically small questions. Then you can write. Right, sir. First question. And we are including concept also. Everything we are going to be include, not only just problem solving. Try to connect theory. So how to use or how is the process are using theory to solve this problem. Right, sir. Which solution will show maximum elevation in boiling point? Which solution will show maximum elevation in boiling point? Okay. So I'm giving options, then you can solve that is one by one. So first, when you are reading question, this concept is related to whom? Elevation in boiling point. What is the elevation in boiling point? You have to refer that one. Suppose you don't know how to solve this concept, first go and learn what is the elevation in boiling point. You have to know that one first point. Okay. Then we can approach our question. So the terminology you have to know that there is a main density first. 0.1 m KCl, 0.1 m BaCl2, this BaCl2, 0.1 m FeCl3, 0.1 m Fe2SO4 thrice ferric sulfate. So this is a question. How to do? We can see that one. So first we have to understand process. What is related this concept? First you can read this related to elevation in boiling point. What is the elevation in boiling point? First concept. Yes. Answer D is correct. Very good. Answer D is correct. Clear? Now elevation in boiling point means already we discussed that one. This is a pure solvent. It have vapor pressure, that is P0. So I'm taking solution here, any solution, PS. So P0 is greater than PS. To get same vapor pressure, I need to heat this one. Is it correct? How much we have to heat? That's only thing. Which one we have to heat more? More the solute particles on the surface, then you have to heat more. Is correct? Because less water molecules is present on the surface, they can evaporate very less. Clear? These are the solute particle. Assume that one. More the solute means water they can't evaporate. But here all the water means they can evaporate. That depends upon number of particles also. If more the solute particles means less the vapor pressure, PS. But I need to get more vapor pressure means I have to heat more. So elevation in boiling point means which require more temperature to evaporate. That's the question mark. Correct? So assume that one all these are same concentration. So first you can write requirement formula. I hope this is the theory which is behind that one. So delta TB equal to I into KB into M cell. Nothing wrong? So they're asking which one have more delta TB indirectly. Elevation in boiling point. Maximum. So KB is constant or not? Constant for water. I think so. M equal to capital M, sir. Most of the in this chapter we are going to take M equal to capital M. So all they have 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. So M also constant. Anything wrong here? See, M constant, KB constant. What is the variable next? Only I value. So next question, how to solve I value? How to do use I value? For KCl, if they didn't mention alpha value means, note down all these points. Who are not done question, please note down all these points. You can note down. If they didn't mention alpha value means, then alpha equal to 1, sir. If they didn't mention anything about alpha value in the question means alpha equal to 1, then n equal to I. Please note down this point. If they didn't talk about anything about alpha value or strong electrolyte they mention, then alpha equal to 1. Understood this point? Now, so which is the more delta TB means more the I value. So which one have I value is highest? KCl, how many ions you will get, sir? K plus Cl minus. Practice and rough paper 2 to 3 times how to write ions. So this is n equal to 2. N equal to 2 means I also 2, sir. I value equal to n value. Here BaCl2 3, n equal to, because Ba2 plus 2Cl minus. Ba2 plus BaCl2 gives rise Ba2 plus 2Cl minus. So n equal to 3 because 1 barium plus 2Cl total 3. So I equal to 3 for this one. N equal to 3, I equal to n, then this is 3. Here how many ions you will get, sir? 4 ions. Fe3 plus 3Cl minus. So total how many? N equal to 1 plus 3, total 4. What about Fe2? This numbers only, na? Whatever this number equal to n value. Here 1 is there and 3 is there, total 1 plus 3. Here Ba is 1 and Cl is 2, 1 plus 2. Here both are 1, 1, that's 1 plus 1 is 2, like that. Here 5 will get n equal to. So option A, I value you can check it. Option A, I equal to 2. Option B, I equal to 3. Option C, I equal to 4. Option D, I equal to 5. Which is the highest I value? That's your answer, na? Because delta TB is directly proportional to now I value. So answer should be D. Please check it. Any doubt? Remaining people, suppose one question is completed for you people, don't wait. You can solve remaining questions which you have available source of textbook. Because some people they are not responding still now. That's why I'm solving. Maybe they are not able to express, but they are not doing also. That's the reason I'm taking some time. Got it? Any doubt? So next question, sir. So what we done first, write formula which is constant, find out. After that we can calculate I value, calculate. How to calculate I value should be expert, sir. So I'm giving same type of question. Please note down here. First one, it shows lowest osmotic pressure. Which of the following can show lowest osmotic pressure? After that, highest boiling point. Now only I discuss highest boiling point. Similar concept both. Right? I need answer for this question, sir. Please do this question. So answer D. Someone they given D, sir. So question read first. I'm going to solve this question. First case, sir. Lowest osmotic pressure. Please check it. Lowest osmotic pressure of first question. Which one have lowest osmotic pressure? So first write osmotic pressure formula. Phi equal to I into CRT. Is it correct? So which is a variable here? Which is a variable, sir? Please can you find out which is variable, which is constant? Array, respond that one. Which is variable, which is constant? Darshan Kumar, correct? Or I will ask some people, sir. You people are not responding at all still now. Karunya, respond, madam. Which is constant for this formula? For I equal to, you are going to solve which is constant. Karunya still didn't respond anything. Which is constant for given question here? Where is the KB? I am asking question here. Osmotic pressure. First one. With respect to osmotic pressure, we are going to be start solving. That's why I'm asking. Practice first class notes also, na. Lexwin, you have to give answer, sir. Lexwin, maybe madam or answer. Sorry for that one. Please give answer. Haripriya, please respond. Which is constant for osmotic pressure here? RT is constant. Very good. So which is variables? Haripriya is good. Next. Array, in this case, given question, R and T is common for every case, sir. You have to multiply R into T. But 0.1 m here 0.05. So concentration is variable. This is NaCl, this is CaCl2, means I value also variable. So I into C value is variable. By using this is pi directly proportional to I into C, which is the highest I into C value, that is the highest osmotic pressure, which is the lowest I into C value, that is low osmotic pressure. But question is lowest value we need, which is the I into C value is low, in which option, that is low osmotic pressure. So calculate I into C value first every question. Clear? So first one, A I am solving, sir. I value for NaCl how much? I value. Array, give answer first. I value. Every case you can provide I value. I value. Provide A, B, C, D. I value how much? I value. NaCl. Array in class notes also I provided. How many ions you will get? 2 ions. So I value is 2 into. What's the concentration? 0.1. Calculate, this is option A. How much you will get? Calculate option A value. Next, pi directly proportional to second one, sir. 0.05 into I value how much here? 3. 3 ions you will get. So multiply, this is C value 0.04 into this is you will get 4, sir, because 3 K plus I given directly in class notes. 3 K plus complex is completely 1 ion. This is complex is 1. Let's just add K3, this is 1. That is the N value. So here I equal to 3 plus 1, 4. D values are right. 0.03 into this is 4 values are FeCl3 also 1 and 3, 4. Which is the lowest values are here after multiplying? Which is the lowest value? I think so option D. So that is the answer. Lowest I into D means that is the lowest osmotic pressure. So your answer should be D, sir. Why I am taking all these are directly? Because R into T value is common. Which is the lowest I into C value, that's the answer. Which one have highest boiling point? Which one have highest boiling? First question answer is D, sir. Which is the highest boiling point? Gautam Siranjeevi, you given correct answer. Yes, yes, Ashok, correct. Which is the highest value, sir? 0.1 into 2. This is going to be highest value. So this have highest boiling point. Delta TB equal to what I can write formula? I into M into KB value. KB is constant. Then find out only I into M value. Which one have highest to I into M value? Already we calculated every option. That's your answer. Array, who are not getting how to apply formula, please check it. Are you getting or not? Write first formula, whatever I'm asking question, first write formula on paper. Then which is constant, you can remove that one. Then which is the variables, you can calculate that is. Understood? Okay, please check it. Understood or not? We can do still more problem. That's fine. But check it that one. You understood or not this concept? You are not responding at all. So you understood or not? At least I have to know now that one. So which one you understood, which is you didn't understand? Array, who understood? Send yes. Who didn't understand? Send no. That's enough. At least I can identify you people. So one more question I am giving, please solve. So these type of questions we are going to be get. This weekend our target, sir. Batch 1 people, they are taking too much target, that they indicate just confidence only. They told that one, sir, we can get this weekend out of 180. Maximum number, sir, will try. Some people they said 180 also. So keep your target also something. We'll discuss tomorrow also problems, but our target is this weekend is completely have to get good score. If question mistake is there, leave that one. But remaining things you have to get maximum score. This weekend going to be your best score. That should be how to say that word. In chemistry, we got still now best score. That's the word I need to get this weekend. You can ask any doubt, we'll discuss. Next question, sir. I need reason also why you are going to be do this question. So means what is the answers you are getting. Explanation I required. Please read this question, then give answers. Solve this question and give your answer, and explanation also I need mostly. Just I will show that question, sir. Give me 1 minute time. I will show that question. Yes, this is the question, sir. Please note down. Only 3 options I provided, not even 4 also. What about remaining people? Only few people they are responding, sir. Only 3, 4. Why 3 students they left, sir? I will find those people. Got these concepts, everything, sir. Lexwin, you didn't respond till now. Nivash Kumar, respond. Haripriya, Karunya, Satvika, Soumya, Tara. Please respond, all you people. Vimal Raj, Veda Bhairavi, Sanjit, Preeti, Kirtana Lakshmi. Please respond, you people. Why you are not responding at all? Provide your answers. I need explanation also after that. It's related to freezing point, is it correct? So write formula, first freezing point formula. Write on paper, then you can think about. So delta T F equal to I into Kf into M. Is it correct? So which is constants are here in this equation? Which is constant? Can you write? Please write which is constant. Which is constant is formula for this question. Kf. Please look into that one. Mahavishnu correct. Yes, Surya also correct. Kf and M also constant. Is it correct or not? All the cases 0.1 only, no? Then M also constant. So I constant, sorry, Kf and m both is constant, sir. These are constant. So now delta Tf. Answer is A. Any doubts? You can ask that is your rights. Suppose you got some answer, I given some answers. You need to ask that's your responsibility. That is. You have to check now why I am mistake or teacher mistake. So answer is A, sir. The reason you can see here. Highest freezing point is the question. This delta TF is a depression in freezing point, sir. Depression means decreases. I can get here lowest freezing point. Depression, lowest freezing point, sir. This is. Depression means what is that one, sir? Decreasing freezing point or not? Decreasing freezing point. My question is highest freezing point. Which one have I value is less, that is more freezing point. For boiling point is opposite, freezing point is opposite. Already you know that one. Here more I into M means more depression. Depression means decreases. More decreases in freezing point, option C. Next option B, and least one is C. Least decreases option A, that's why this is the highest value. Delta TF means depression. Depression means decreasing freezing point. Where I can get highest decreasing, option C. Next decreasing, B. Least decreasing is A. Means least decreasing means, suppose I assume that one is -1 degree centigrade. This is -2 degrees centigrade and -3 degrees centigrade. Which is the highest freezing point, sir? -1 is more than -2, -3. That is the way I am asking here. Please ask your doubt. Please you make an ask. Nagarjun, you got it answered? The remaining is not responding. Only 1 or 2 people they are responding. Correct question is, please check it again. Read that question. All you people are English medium, so you know very well. You can understand English. Please read that question. Highest freezing point. What is the delta TF meaning, sir? Depression in freezing point. Depression means decreases. Freezing point decrease means less than 0, sir. More decreasing means more negative value will get. So here due to I value is 2 into 0.1. Here 0.1 into 3. Here 0.1 into 4. This is delta TF. TF means decreases value, sir. You will get assume that one here minus 0.2 degree centigrade. Here how much? Minus 0.3 degree centigrade. Here minus 0.4 degree centigrade. Which is the highest value among this? Question is highest freezing point. Which is the highest value in freezing point here? Minus 0.2 or minus 0.3 or minus 0.4. Which is the highest value? Depression means decreasing. After decreasing, which one have highest value here? Minus 4 is more value or minus 2 is more value? There is some logic. I am not asking a regular question. Okay, a regular question which is the highest depression. I am not asking depression. I am asking freezing point. So try to understand. My question is different, not regular question. This is. I'm asking which is the highest freezing point. If I'm asking which is the highest depression means your answer is correct. C only correct. Highest depression freezing point means your answer is correct, sir. C. But I'm asking highest freezing point, not depression. I'm not asking which is decreases is the highest, which is the already having highest value. At least some people you understood. This chapter is the easiest chapter, sir. Don't tell this also, sir. You are not able to understand means. Then you people think that one. Huh? Take it seriously. Why you have to think that one negatively? Huh? Right. Next question, right? 0.5 grams KCl was dissolved in 100 grams of water, and the solution originally at 20 degrees centigrade froze. Means I think so. Pronunciation may can check it. This is freezing point, sir. Directly freezes at minus 0.24 degrees centigrade. Calculate the percentage ionization of salt Kf per 100 grams of water. First write related formula, requirement formula. Then you can substitute one by one what they're expecting, you can calculate. Slowly, step by step. What is the requirement, right? What the given values also you can write. After that, we can get everything. So this related to something decreasing freezing point means, and Kf also they given means formula is very well known formula. This delta Tf equal to I into Kf into M. But they mention weight means you have to elaborate M also, because in this formula there is no weight directly. So I need to elaborate this formula. So delta Tf means already you know that one, T naught minus Ts equal to I into Kf into molality formula, sir. You know that one, Wb by Mb. You have to write, sir, everything elaboration into 1000 by Wa. Now substitute everything. This is the main formula you have to remember. So delta T naught 0 what is, sir? T naught is 0. 0 degree centigrade is the freezing point of water, minus of solution how much? 0.24 equal to, they're asking percentage of ionization of salt. I value I need to calculate, sir. I don't know I value. Into Kf value is 1.86 into W. Yes, sir. This is WB 0.5. Solute KCl only, na? Right. 0.5 by master weight of KCl you need to calculate, sir. I think so approximately 75 point or 73 point is there. Calculate potassium is 39. Then Cl is 35.5. Calculate how much you will get, sir? 5, I think so 74.5. Now right, sir. 74.5 into 1000 by 100. I'm substituting in this formula everything, sir. So this is 0.24 I. Then calculate, sir. Finally, I value how much we are getting. Check it. By solving everything, I provided values. Check it. I value I value. Sanjita, exactly correct answer. Superb. Very good, very good. And we need that type of competition, right? So you're not getting anywhere, I will be there here. I will explain, but try yourself thoughtfully. I value how much will get here? I equal to 1.92. So I value formula, you know that one. 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. N equal to 2 for KCL. You know that very well. N equal to 2 for KCL, sir. K plus CL minus. So I equal to 1 plus 2 minus 1 into alpha. Nothing but I equal to 1 plus alpha. I is 1.92 equal to minus 1 equal to alpha. Then alpha equal to 0.92. Percentage means into 100. Check it. What's your doubt? Please check it. Okay. Try remaining problems. We'll do tomorrow also. Try uploaded. You may can check it, sir. If any doubts, we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, yes. 1 point fine. 1.93 also fine. Nearby answers. Good, good. Right. Do tomorrow all the problems. We can ask again. Array, come next time with formulas. I will make unmute tomorrow. Then you need to give formulas. Please practice on rough paper formulas 4 to 5 times. Then come back. I'm going to be ask you seriously formulas.